The 2008 Jeep Compass. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, a roof rack, and air conditioning. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.